If you're looking to forecast sales on Amazon, JungleScout is an essential tool that can help you analyze and predict trends with precision. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through exactly how to use JungleScout to forecast your Amazon sales, and by the end, you'll know how to make smarter decisions to grow your business. JungleScout is packed with features, but today we'll focus on the Sales Estimator tool. This tool pulls data directly from Amazon's platform and uses it to give you a clear picture of what sales you can expect based on a specific product's performance. To get started, simply log into JungleScout and enter the product's ASIN or keyword into the search bar. Right away, you'll see detailed information about estimated monthly sales, which will help you understand demand and gauge your potential. Now, JungleScout uses historical data to project the sales of a product, which means it factors in past trends and current market conditions. This is especially useful if you're entering a competitive market or launching a new product. The Sales Estimator tool allows you to see how similar products are performing, so you can identify gaps in the market and make adjustments to your strategy accordingly. For more advanced forecasting, you can use the JungleScout Chrome extension while browsing Amazon. The extension instantly shows you critical data on any product page, including monthly sales estimates and average reviews. This tool makes it super easy to spot top sellers and analyze what's working for them. It's like having a mini dashboard right in your browser that helps you make real-time decisions. But forecasting isn't just about knowing how well a product is doing now, it's also about predicting how it'll perform in the future. JungleScout's tools give you the data to forecast potential growth and competition. For example, you can check out the historical data on a product's price trends or see how its performance correlates with seasonality, which will allow you to plan for fluctuations and market trends. JungleScout is especially valuable if you're looking at long-term strategies. Let's say you're planning to expand your product line or move into a new category on Amazon. By analyzing trends and competitor data, you can identify emerging niches that are underserved but have high demand. This kind of insight is crucial when scaling your business and looking for untapped opportunities. A great feature JungleScout offers is the ability to compare products side by side. This can help you determine which products have the highest sales potential, but also which ones have less competition. It's the kind of insight you need to ensure your product stands out without being drowned out by bigger players in the market. When using the sales forecasting tools, don't forget to set your filters to match the exact criteria you're interested in, whether it's a particular category, price point, or customer rating. JungleScout's filters let you fine-tune your search, so you can see forecasts based on the specifics that matter most to your business. This makes it easier to craft a tailored strategy for each product you plan to sell on Amazon. You might be wondering, how accurate are these sales forecasts? Well, while no tool is 100% perfect, JungleScout's algorithm uses massive amounts of Amazon data to give you the best estimates possible. As you use it more and gather more data from your own products, you'll find your own forecasting abilities improving. Now, here's something special for you. If you're interested in trying JungleScout for yourself, you can get a free trial using the exclusive link in the description below. This will allow you to test out the software and see how it can transform your Amazon business with no risk involved. Plus, when you sign up through that link, you'll get exclusive bonuses that will make your learning curve even easier. In conclusion, if you're looking to forecast sales on Amazon effectively, JungleScout is one of the best tools to give you the insights you need to succeed. With its Sales Estimator, Chrome extension, and advanced filters, you're equipped to make data-driven decisions that will help your business grow. Don't forget to check out the exclusive, extended free trial using the link below. This is your chance to start forecasting your Amazon sales like a pro.